Donald Trump, a story of business, fame, and politics. Once upon a time in Queens, New York, a boy named Donald John Trump was born on June 14th, 1946. He was the fourth of five children in a wealthy family. His father, Fred Trump, was a successful businessman who built and sold houses. His mother, Mary Trump, was a kind and caring woman from Scotland. Donald grew up in a big house and attended good schools. But he was full of energy and sometimes got into trouble. When he was 13, his parents sent him to a military school to teach him discipline. There, he learned to be strong, competitive, and determined. After high school, Donald went to Fordham University and later transferred to the Wharton School at the University of Pennsylvania, one of the top business schools in the country. He graduated in 1968 with a degree in economics. From a young age, he wanted to follow in his father's footsteps and build his own business empire. Building a business empire. Donald joined his father's real estate company, but he had bigger dreams. He wanted to build skyscrapers, hotels, and casinos in the heart of New York City. In 1970s, he took over the company and renamed it the Trump Organization. One of his first big projects was the Grand Hyatt Hotel, which he built in 1980. It was a huge success. Then he built Trump Tower, a shiny skyscraper on Fifth Avenue. He bec- it became his home and a symbol of his business. More buildings followed, including Trump Plaza, Trump Castle, and Trump Taj Mahal, a grand casino in Atlantic City. Trump became famous for his flashy lifestyle, luxury properties, and bold personality. He put his name on everything, from buildings to aeroplanes. People admired his confidence, but some thought he was too aggressive in business. A star of television. In 1990s, Trump faced financial troubles. Some of his businesses failed and he had to declare bankruptcy several times. But he always found a way to bounce back. In 2004, he became even more famous with a TV show called The Apprentice. In this reality show, young business people competed to work for him. He sat in a big chair and judged their skills. His famous catchphrase, "You are fired," became popular all over America. Millions watched the show, and Trump became household name. Now let us look into entering politics. For many years, Trump was interested in politics. He donated money to different parties and spoke about national issues. But in 2015, he shocked the world when he announced he would run for President of United States. He promised to make America great again and said he would bring jobs back, protect American borders, and stand up to other countries. Many people loved his strong words and bold ideas. Others disliked his tough way of speaking. He competed against many politicians and surprised everyone when he won the Republican nomination. In 2016, he ran against Hillary Clinton, a former First Lady and Secretary of State. His campaign was full of controversy, but in November 2016, he won and became the 45th President of United States. Trump as President. Trump's time in White House was exciting and sometimes controversial. He lowered taxes, changed trade deals, and focused on American businesses. He also built a stronger border to stop illegal immigration. Some people thought he was doing a great job, while others believed his policies were too harsh. He was known for using Twitter to speak directly to the people. His tweets often made headlines. He had many supporters, but he also had strong opponents. During his presidency, the world faced a big challenge: COVID 19. The pandemic changed life everywhere. Some people believed Trump did not handle it well, while others thought he did his best. In 2020, Trump ran for re election against Joe Biden, a former vice president. The election was intense and millions of people voted. In the end, Biden won and Trump left office in January 2021. However, Trump claimed the election was unfair and fought the results, leading to the major event on January 6 when his supporters stormed the US Capitol, re entering in the White House. Even after leaving office, Trump remained a powerful figure in politics. He continued to speak at rallies, support candidates, and share his opinions. With his great hard work and Political tactics. He was currently 47th President of United States of America. Outside of politics, Trump focused on his businesses and his social media platform, Truth Social. He remained one of the most talked about figures in America, with strong supporters and strong critics. Donald Trump's life is a story of ambition, success, failure, and comebacks. From a young business to a reality TV star and then the President of United States. He has always aimed high. Love him or dislike him. One thing is certain, Donald Trump has left a lasting mark on American history. Thanks a lot and please subscribe to my channel.